Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus. And to this video, which is part 6 in the series on top 20 budgeting tips for financial planning, which can help you achieve financial success. Budgeting is a proven system of breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle, getting out of debt, and living the life that you want. Used correctly, a budget doesn't restrict you. Instead, it empowers you. In this part 6 video, I will share few more budgeting tips in addition to those shared in part 1 to 5 in this series on top 20 budgeting tips to achieve financial success. So, to help encourage and inspire more people to embrace the power of becoming financially literate, make sure you watch this short video to the end so that you don't miss on any of these golden tips on budgeting. But before I go ahead with this video, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can just log in on YouTube with your email ID and click on subscribe icon and share it with your family and friends. You can also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can take time to click on subscribe icon, like icon, and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers. I'm CA Ashima, a finance professional, a qualified chartered accountant, a certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation consultant, specializing in finance, IT, tax, and audits. I worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and have also worked as a senior financial consultant with a multinational and have catered to corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. I have also been working as a freelance financial consultant. To begin with, I will quickly take you through the list of the first 17 budgeting tips that I have shared in detail in parts 1 to 5 in this series. The first one is to follow 50-30-20 rule. The second is to segregate needs versus wants. Third is to create your budget before the month begins. The fourth one is to practice budgeting to zero. The next is to use the right tools. Sixth is to save first, then spend. The next is to save for tithe, donations, and charity. Eighth one is to prioritize debt repayment. The next is to start contributing to retirement now. And 10th is that you should never forget to factor in fun. 11th is to keep bills and receipts organized. The next is the 12th one, which is best way to plan for large purchases. 13th is budget for unexpected expenses. 14th is include a contingency category in your budget. The next is to set smart financial goals. 16th is to adjust your budget monthly. And 17th is observe a no spend day, week, or month when you don't spend any money aside from what's absolutely necessary. You can watch part 1 to 5 in this series of top 20 budgeting tips, which will help you understand and implement these first 17 tips. Now let's look into the next one, which is don't be too hard on yourself. Getting used to a new budgeting routine may take a few months to make it perfect. Your budget may not be perfect the first or the second time around. Be kind to yourself and your budgeting lifestyle as you settle into your new routine. Focus on making daily decisions with your budgeting goals in mind to help establish new habits. Sticking to the plan will help you get the most out of your income and give you peace of mind that every dollar in your checking account is going to a specific purpose. The next is to try cash only budgeting. Cash only budgeting involves only using cash for all purchases and tracking spending on a regular basis. This budgeting method makes it easier to see how much money you have left to spend and make sure that you stick to your budget. Additionally, cash only budgeting allows you to make conscious decisions about your spending since it forces you to pay attention to where your money is going. And the last but not the least is to budget for your financial situation. For an effective budget that works long term, you'll want to consider your financial situation. This can be done simply by following three easy steps. The first is to calculate your monthly income, then identify and add up your expenses, and review and revise your budget whenever needed. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this video where we looked into all the top 20 budgeting tips for financial planning which can help you achieve financial success. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about how to plan a great retirement, different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, and tax benefits and tax exemptions for NRIs as well as residents on sale of a house property, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status, and how to avoid double taxation with the help of double taxation avoidance agreements between different countries, and many other videos related to financial planning and investments, which are not only relevant for NRIs but for all others as well, like best investment tips for beginners, how to invest in international stocks, and benefits and risk involved in overseas investments, and many more. I hope you all will benefit with the information shared in this video. And if you feel this information is useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends. And do share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So, with that, I wish you all a happy budgeting, happy saving, and happy investing, happily donating, and a happy living. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.